Americans love their pets. We spend over $100 billion a year on their safety and care. And when it comes to keeping our four-legged best friends safe, it's important we choose wisely and put our trust in the right hands or paws, as the case may be.
Hi, I'm Melanie Clayman, or better known as the dog mom to Instagram celebrity therapy dogs, the three retrievers, Georgia, Archie, Oakley, and Winston. I grew up with small dogs, but I've always loved Goldens and Labs. So as soon as I graduated from college, I got my first Golden Retriever, Parker. Since then, I've had 4 more Goldens and a Lab, all of which have become certified therapy dogs. I also feature their work on our social media page, The Three Retrievers, to spread more joy around the world. In order to do this successfully, I must keep their safety and continuous training at the top of my priorities, and this is why I invested in Invisible Fence brand and their top-notch trainers like Ashley.
Hi, Melanie.
Hi.
These guys are so beautiful.
Thank you.
Thank you for putting your faith in us.
Of course.
So can you tell me about your experience at Invisible Fence brand?
You bet. Like most pet owners, our dogs are part of our family, so safety is our #1 priority. So I just did some research and I found Invisible Fence brand, and they came out and installed the underground fence system, which was a huge game changer.
I bet. So I also know you have some of our indoor solutions. Can you share that experience with us?
Oh yes, we do. So in this home, we have the Dorman pet door installed, and it's just so great knowing that the dogs can go in and out as they please.
Now I noticed too, when we walked in with 4 dogs, none of them went right up to us, but I did see something there.
Yes, so Invisible Fence makes these indoor shield units that I can put in front of the front door, and it prevents the dogs from getting too close to the front door, so when guests come over, they don't immediately go up to them and start jumping on them, and they can't run out the front door and start roaming the neighborhood.
That's right, and Invisible Fence brand is more than just working with dogs, and actually here to tell us more about that is Tyler.
That's right, Ashley. Our solutions cater to all pets, not just cats and dogs. Need to keep your cat away from a hamster cage? We can absolutely help with that.
And unlike other brands, we really focus on the individual training of the dog. So we customize it to what you and your dog needs. And when we combine the training with our range of products, we have over a 99% retention rate.
Come on, let's take a look. Whether it's indoors or outdoors, Invisible Fence has your back. We can help keep dogs out of certain areas like bedrooms, deter cats from jumping onto counters, or even allow pets to roam off-leash in their yard. Our goal is to create a space where pets can thrive while providing peace of mind to their owners. Our newest product is our GPS collar, equipped with the world's most accurate GPS fence technology. You can customize and design up to 20 fences, whether you're on the go or at home. And you gain exclusive access to our GPS video series.
Another one of our offerings is our manners obedience training, where we start in the home with you, your family, and your dog, and focus on the goals that you have with each other.
And speaking of being on their best behavior,
when the dogs travel to hotels, schools, and other places, I can bring the portable indoor shields unit with me to create areas that are off limits in indoor spaces on the go. And if we ever have any questions or need assistance, Invisible Fence brand is always there for us. They have real people that come out and come up with a solution that works for us and our pets' needs. The peace of mind that comes with knowing that Georgia, Archie, Oakley, and Winston are safe and happy is truly priceless. And I really appreciate that Invisible Fence brand is committed to supporting animal rescues and shelters.
It is great. We really are passionate about the community. Each year, we host a From the Shelter to Forever Home contest, where you can nominate a shelter to win a variety of cash prizes. Enhance your bond and keep your pet safe with Invisible Fence brand, and join us in our mission to support local animal shelters and rescues.
Invisible Fence Solutions, protecting pets, empowering owners. To learn more, follow at Invisible Fence and at The Three Retrievers.